It's giving grown lady, and I'm here for it. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I got this really natural, highlighted, I don't know, she giving sophisticated. She giving, I don't have time for foolishness, I wake up at 5 a.m. vibes. I don't know, I'm here for it. I created this entire look from box to finished product in less than 30 minutes. So if you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. All right, so I already did my makeup because I'm ready to go ahead and get a drink or whatever. And I really wanted to use a wig that was pre-curled so I can just pop it on and go, because y'all know I'm always running late. Don't judge me today. Yeah, so I'm in a rush. I wanted something that was easy to just pop on. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this wig that I got from Luvme hair. All the information about the wig will be down below in the description bar. They are sponsoring today's video, and I picked out a wig that I feel like is super beginner friendly because one, it's a closure, so you don't have to do all that land lace and little corners and all of that stuff, and two, because it comes pre-styled. So normally I will wash my wigs before I install it, but today I just want to go from the box straight onto my head. It's hot outside, honey, and we are trying to turn looks with the least effort possible. The little box is so cute. So this is the wig. She is pre-curled, as you can see, and she got like some little highlights. I believe it's a 5x5 closure, but it could be a 4x4. I'll put the details down below, but the lace is a really nice quality and the knots are pre-bleached to perfection, so this should be really, really easy to do. The wig came with a cute little elastic band, a little edge brush, some wig caps, and a bonnet. I'm gonna go ahead and put these to the side because I like to keep them. You can never have too many bonnets. I don't know. I like to have cute little bonnets to match all my robes because I'm gonna turn the look in my sleep. That's how committed I am, you know, to the cause. So I already have my bald cap done. Quiet as kept, I actually saved this same bald cap from my last glueless install. I just was really, really gentle. I took my wig off, so it's not perfect, but it'll do. Now this wig has quite a few combs in it. There's two on the sides here, one behind the frontal and one in the back. I'm gonna keep the two on the sides, but I'm gonna go ahead and trim this one right here out. Where is my little razor? Okay, so I went ahead with my razor and cut out that little clip there. So we still have the two on the sides, and I'm gonna also adjust this little strap here because I don't want to have to use too much glue, so I want it to be pretty tight. Okay, so this is what the wig is giving so far. I love the blend on the lace. The lace is given. It's not super pre-plucked, but that's kind of perfect because for a middle part, I like to have like a full hairline, especially when I do baby hair. So we're about to make it do what it do. I really like it because honestly, half the work is already done. So this is gonna be a real easy little install. So before we go ahead and lay the lace down, I'm gonna trim these little side pieces off because they never lay right. The lace is kind of doubled over, so I like to trim that little piece off really, really close to the lace. And then I'm gonna just cut the rest of this lace in a zigzag pattern like normal. You know what? Now I'm gonna do it like this. I was gonna take it off and put the foundation on the base of the wig first, but Charlotte's already on my head. Let's just go and install her as is. I'm just trimming it, you know, in a zigzag pattern. I've really been thinking about trying those little crinkle cut scissors. I've seen a couple of the girls use those, and it's worth a try. Even though cutting off the lace is not hard, I just want to, you know, keep it fresh, try new stuff. I really need to try a new glueless like gel or spray because I've been using this Even Wonder Lace spray for months, and honestly, like, since I've tried it, I haven't tried anything else. Like, this is like my favorite thing. But I do need to get back out there in these streets and see what the girls are using. I just honestly, once I find something that I like, I don't be trying to shake the table. Instead of me applying the Wonder Lace spray straight to my head like normal, I'm actually gonna spray it onto this little piece of paper and then use a brush to apply it. It's something I've been trying lately, and I have really been liking how it turns out because I have a lot more control over one, how much spray I use, and two, where the spray lands. Especially when my makeup is already done, I'm not trying to have to like wipe off the makeup on my forehead to clean up the glue. So just being a little bit more intentional about where I put it to begin with, honey, is a lot easier. So I'm gonna go ahead, spray a little bit on here, and then I have this little like concealer brush, and I'm just gonna use this to apply it. I just used this exact same brush yesterday, and it is hard as a rock. I should have washed it before doing this, but we're gonna see. It's giving spatula right now, but honestly it's still working. I just don't like when I spray too much spray directly on my hairline. It makes my cap lift. That is so stressful. Okay, so I put it under, and now that it's nice and like secure on my head, I'm gonna go ahead and sandwich it with a little bit more spray on top just to get that melted look that I like. I don't know how it works, but it just does. Putting a little bit under, popping the lace on, and then putting a little bit more on top, I get the absolute best like melted blend. Okay, so I was liking how it looked, but I needed to add a little bit more of layers to it. So I went ahead and cut layers on this side using my razor comb, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I wasn't really sure what the vibe was going to be, so I kind of just went in and started first, but let me show y'all what I did. So I'm parting out from the crown of my head to right behind my ear, and I'm going to add a lot of layers specifically in this section so they can frame my face really nicely. And the cool thing about using a razor comb is that you don't really have to have it be perfect. I'm just kind of grabbing the hair, adding in some layers here and there, and it just adds like a really nice touch, especially when you're wearing curls. Okay, it's already coming together a little bit, but first I want to go ahead and do the baby hairs before we get into like actually curling the hair. The lace is laid. I have a minor concussion because of how tight I had it, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So now we need to go ahead and get into the baby hair, and I want to go for quite dramatic baby hair, I'm not gonna lie. So let me go ahead and plug in my little mini flat irons so we can do that like soft swoop baby hair thing. Un momento. Okay. I don't know what that was. I think it's just because my curls are cute. I want to shake my head, but this is the finished look after I refreshed the curls and added a couple of layers. I love how the layers are falling. It's giving grown lady, and I'm here for it. Let me go ahead and show y'all the back. Hopefully I curled the whole thing, girl. I love it. What do you guys think? Would you wear this hair? I've really been feeling these layers lately. I'm super here for it. I feel like it will also look super cute in a side part, and the closure is all the way over here, so you could do a nice sickening side part. So I don't know. This may be one of my new favorite wigs, especially with how easy it was to put on, and I know once I reinstall it, it's gonna be like 2 seconds. The color is hitting. I don't know, y'all. I like it. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. All of the information, goodness gracious. All of the information about the hair will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.